Former U.S. President Donald Trump's company finance director Alan Weisselberg attended hearing for the criminal case at Lower Manhattan in New York on 1 July 2021. On Thursday, New York Chief Public Prosecutor Letitia James' office referred to a key report that Trump's organization did not produce evidence in the case of a $250 million in case of Donald Trump and his company. AG's office. A letter. Defendants in documents produced relation to 2016 stock exchanges with defendants Trump's value of real estate assets determined possible negligence. He said, "This failure shows that there is a collapse in one part of process." An official from this office warned the judiciary to decide at ongoing civil hearing. Official. Senior Executive Consultant Kevin Wallace. Judge Arthur Engoron article potentially suggests in the production process. He wrote, "The accusation was interrupted against the claim that all witness statements at the hearing were perfect for us." Chief Public Prosecutor case Trump. Sons Donald Jr.and Trump Organization senior executives. Tax advantages loans insurance in order to gain better conditions real values managers. Accusing. James. Court causes $250 million damage to adult sons any New York business officers any New York business he wants him to serve him permanently. In his letter, Wallace suggested that an independent monitor to conduct a judicial examination of electronic data issued by the Trump Organization between August and September 2016. If the monitor sensitive information is not produced, it can provide an assessment in which failure occurred in this process and can propose drugs to improve these problems. The letter refers to a Forbes article that accused Weiselberg of lying during a sworn testimony at the civil hearing at the Manhattan Supreme Court last week. However, Forbes, who has long been watching richness of the richest people in world for a long time, said Weiselberg's claim is not true. Considering that these discussions are going on for years and Weiselberg adopted a very detailed approach to reviewing Trump's existence with Forbes, he challenges all the logic to think that he really believes in court. Wallace said in a letter on Thursday that defendants produced some documents reflecting the ongoing stock exchanges about valuation of assets in August and September 2016 with Forbes magazine. Wallace wrote that Weiselberg received financial information about the company's golf fields as a part of these stock exchanges. However, while the defendants produced some emails on this stock exchange, it is understood that they did not produce a series of later email between Weiselberg and a real estate expert Steven Ekovich. Wallace is followed by more than one declaration on behalf of the Trump Organization that proves that production obligations have been completed. The Monitor proposed a deadline dated the 27th of October to provide a report on the judicial exam. Trump and